Are you suffering from slow broadband speeds in your area? Maybe you have problems getting standard broadband installed. Or perhaps you're staying somewhere temporarily. Our new 4G home router could be the answer. Now you get super fast speeds where before there was only slow. In some places, you can even get speeds faster than standard fibre broadband. Unlike standard broadband, there's no engineer visit, fixed landline, or wait to get installed. Just insert your SIM, connect your power cable, and you'll get top speeds beamed around the house in seconds. Plus, the 4G home router has a massive 30-metre Wi-Fi range and the ability to connect to huge 32 devices at once, making it the ideal alternative to standard broadband. Get great value data allowances, even for the busiest of homes, and you can choose if you want to pay monthly or pay as you go. The MyEE app makes it really easy to keep track of what you're using and how much data you've got left, so you'll always be in control of what you spend. Get connected instantly with the 4G home router and get super fast speeds and great value data allowances. It's the ideal alternative to standard broadband, delivered through 4G on the UK's fastest network, available in more places than ever before.